Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're not playing in Mail Tower. So my name is guys. If I see more videos, I share my storage. So let's guys. We got what the? Wait, well, I thought I'm gonna play because I disconnect. Why did I disconnect? What did I do wrong? Come on, I need to beat that. I need to this obby. I need the mail obby. Mail Tower, I think it is. Okay. So I'm not gonna disconnect it, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Let's not log in. But hey. Oh wait. I'm at the mail. You're at the mail. Okay. Oh, mo. Wait. Let me just do that. Okay, noise here, guys. So, anyways, we're gonna be no. Actually, for yes. What is M, guys? What is M? So, anyways, guys. Oh no. Oh no. This so difficult. Bro. No. There's no checkpoint. How? So hard. No, it's so hard. I can't jump higher. Yes, I can't because I'm not longer. Oh, oh my god, I know how to go to jump. Come on. Oh, no, no, oh, no. I wanted to jump, okay? Why there's no checkpoints in this game? Oh, oh, no, I'm not gonna die. So anyways, guys, we're going to jump very hard, slowly. Oh my god, it's so easy. It's so easy, guys. Oh my god. Ouch, ouch. No! Bro, this is so hard. Why there's no checkpoints? Oh god. Okay, so otherwise, guys. Okay. Wait, hold on, wait. I should just do this. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this is the male. This is a male or female? Male shop or female shop? No, I know that's how it's a easy. No, wait. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on a second. Wait, I need to jump higher. Ooh, my god. Yes. Okay, let's go do like this. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. So easy, right? That's so easy. Ouch. 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 I'll be so banana. I'll be so banana. Do not. Do not fall. Oh my god, I accidentally fall because of lagging. Ouch. 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 Bananas. So, bro, I accidentally fall, guys. Guys, I accidentally fall. God. Why there's no checkpoints? No! Okay. No. I should just jump like this. And I'm not dying. Oh my god. It's so hard. Come on. Oh my god. It's so easy. It's so easy, guys. Okay. So, anyways, guys. That is this game. Do not touch it. Oh! Which one is the right? Oh! Haha. Oh no. This is so hard. This is so hard. Oh no, we're gonna reach it now. Oh no, this is so hard. Oh my god, this is so hard time. This is so hard time. No. Do not fall at hard mode. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god. Yes! Yes! No, 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 no. No. Why there's no... No! I accidentally fall. Ito... Oh my god. This game. Ito, a bit harder. I accidentally fall. Oh my god. I'm going to just jump. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. No! No! Damn it, I'm going to leave. Bro, it's so hard because it's thing. I don't like this. No, let's play something else. Let's play something else. Tower or something. How about let's play something? Wait. What about this rainbow thing? Ito. This one. Let's play. Join me. The rainbow. Rainbow tower again. Okay, so this the hard. So guys, keep on easy mode. So there's checkpoints in this game. Come on, let me in. I'm going to easy. I'm gonna easy, guys. I'm going to easy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Doey, the Doman. Do. Ooh, do. No. Thing. No. Ay. There's what? Rings in the bottom. Oh, okay. Let me get it. So else, guys? We're going to get these, both of them. Oh, you know what? Just jump. Oh my god, these so easy. Look, I'm easy. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god. Yes, very easy game. I'm a pancake. Oh no. Oh no. I'm a pancake. No. Whee! Look at me, I'm easy. Look at me, I'm easy, guys. I'm easy. Wow. Guys. I only have no, because I wanted to beat that game. So I'm gonna jump in. And this girl, my baby girl. Ouch. Oh, papi. Oh, papi. Ouch. Ouch. Bro, this annoying girl. Huh? Look at me, I'm easy. Ah! No, I'm going to use spring. Ouch. I'm okay. Ah! How? It's so hard. Intense. No! Bro, it's so hard. How? What's up? Bro, I need to go too. Or else I gotta leave. I'm gonna leave now. Okay. Because it's so hard. And I'm going to leave. There. There. Because of this girl, I'm going to leave. Right. Nah. I'm going to ruin you. Or else. It's pancake. I'm a pancake. Ay! Wait! Wait, hold on. Go. Oh my god, go! Bro, I need to leave. This hard. Why? Ah! It's okay, you record or something. Come on. Oh my god, this is so hard. Why? Oh! No! Why I accidentally fail? You know what? I'm going to skip. Yes, I know. Yes. Oh! Okay. You gotta keep on easy mode, okay? So this is easy. If I just fall, I'm going to leaving. I'm leaving. Oh wait, this. No! You know what? I'm going to leave the house. No, this is so hard. You know what? I'm going to skip off. No! No, I'm going to leave. Rest. Okay, let me troller. Oh wait, no, no. You know what? I'm using the trampoline. Ow! Finally. Finally, I'm here. Do not fall, alright, I'll leave. And also, I'm going to chat. Something. Oh, look at this. Okay. Look at me, I'm easy. Ouch. 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 No! Wait, please, or else. Come on, please stop. Please, or else. Please, I'm going to just wait. Please stop leaving me. Or else I'm gonna. No! Not again! This, this thing. Am I jump higher or not? Okay. I'm going to. I'm going to just beat that game, guys. Guys, I need to beat that game. So far, this is a hard game. Oh! Okay. So I'm going to beat that game. Come on. Or else. Yes. Let's go. Oh! No! Not again! Okay, finally, bro. This is the hardest game. This is the hardest game in the world. This is the hardest tower in the world, guys. Oh my god, finally. Do not fall. Do not fall. Not, I'm gonna use this. Just in case it's easy. No, this is the hard game because you put that. This is the hard game. Oh my god, I need to beat that game. This game. Ah! No! No! What? Okay. Okay, next game. Next game is the hardest game for Sonos game. I got this game, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm just gonna find what noodles there. Oh! Ay! No, no, no. Come on, I need to beat that game. Come on, I need to beat that game. Oh! No! Anyways, guys, goodbye, guys. So,